Hello students, today we solve one simple problem on solvolysis. This question was asked in CSR Net December 2019 for 2 marks. The question was, what is the order of rate of solvolysis in 50% ethanol at 45.6 degrees Celsius? It means which of these three A, B and C is going to react fast by a solvolysis reaction. The options are BCA, CBA, ABC and CAB. So you should know the solvolysis reaction. Solvolysis reaction is nothing but the reaction in which solvent act as a nucleophile. Those reactions in which nucleophiles are not given, there solvents act as nucleophile, and here the solvent is ethanol. Therefore, ethoxide ion act as a nucleophile, ETO minus. So this is the case of SN1 reaction. In SN1 reaction, what happens? The leaving group departs. Here the leaving group given is bromide. And after the leaving group depart, in SN1 reaction, the intermediate form is nothing but the carbocation. And we know that the stability of carbocation is tertiary is more stable than secondary is more stable than primary carbocation. But in these structures, the leaving group is attached to a bridgehead position because these are the cage structures, and at the cage structures the leaving group is given at the bridgehead position. So these are the bridgehead positions, and at the bridgehead positions the moiety is very reactive. Actually, carbocations are the sp2 hybridized carbon, and at the bridgehead position there is always a less stability because the geometry is not perfectly trigonal planar here at bridgehead position. Therefore, there should be no double bond can be present here. Okay, but still there is a leaving group is given, so we have to do SN1 reactions. So in case of this all these three structures, this ring is a 7-member ring. This ring is 8-member ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-member ring. And this ring is 9-member rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the size of this ring is A ring is of 7-member, B ring is 8-member, and C ring is 9-member. So in case of these cage structures, more is the size of ring, more will be the stable carbocation form. More will be the stable carbocation form. So in case of C ring, the carbocation form rapidly, then B and then A. Therefore, C is going to react very fast than B, and B is going to react faster than the A ring. Therefore, the correct order of solvolysis is CBA. Therefore, the second option is the correct option.